Должен попасти. Док!
Loud explosions and air raid warnings as Belgorod in Russia is being liberated from Putinist occupation. Belgorod, morning of the 19th of March. Not sure what the authorities are thinking. The city must be evacuated.
Добрый вечер.
Kozinka, Belgorod Oblast, Special Military Operations Zone, is not habitable anymore, and the war comes to Russia.
Козинка пизда. Ебать, вот хватит. Ух, ебаля, лому пизда, просто. Просто магазина нет лома, блядь, ебана в рот. Таня, ебаш. Ебать, все пиздец, домика пизда.
Footage of the raid in the Belgorod region from the fighters of the Romanian battle group Getica. The Romanian battle group Getica is among the units that attack Russia together with Russian Volunteer Corps, Legion Freedom of Russia, International Legion of Ukraine, Battalion Siberia, Battalion of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, Kastus Kalinowski Regiment, and Georgian Legion. And on the other fronts, Russians are not doing any better. Soldiers of the 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade destroyed a Russian BMP with a Stugna ATGM.
Ні, от ті, що їдуть, і ваш ті, що їдуть нам. Давай. Давай, братан, давай. Вище чуть. Вот так. Давай. Должен попасти. Док!
SBU Unit Alpha destroyed several pieces of heavy equipment, such as a D-30 howitzer, tanks, and Ural supply trucks. Berlin and Warsaw had agreed to form an armored vehicles coalition to support Ukraine's defense capabilities. The Polish magazine Du Prost reported on March 18th, citing Polish Defense Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz. The initiative, announced by Kosiniak-Kamysz following talks in Warsaw with his German counterpart Boris Pistorius, will officially begin operations on March 26th. This would be yet another coalition formed by allies to support specific capabilities of Ukraine's armed forces. Other such initiatives include an artillery coalition, a fighter jet coalition, or a demining coalition organized within the framework of the Ukraine Defense Contact Group in the Ramstein format. One of the UAE's largest banks has closed accounts of Russians. Emirates NBD, the second largest bank in the United Arab Emirates, has shut its Russia-focused department and most Russian accounts. On average, they held more than $5 million, the Wall Street Journal reported. In particular, it affected the accounts of Uralkali Company, businessman Ivan Tavrin, and the Coral Energy Trading Group, through which, according to the WSJ, Russia exports oil. The newspaper's interlocutors note that Emirates NBD changed its course after new sanctions were imposed on several UAE companies, and the country itself was visited by representatives of the U.S. State Department. In their comments to the Vedomosti newspaper, Russian businessmen working in the UAE said that banks are now not accepting payments and are actively closing the accounts of companies owned by Russians. According to them, difficulties with transfers began long before the decree on secondary sanctions signed in December. Putin said Russia would be forced to create a sanitary zone in the current territories subordinate to the Kiev regime. Will Vlad nuke his own people now?
Я сейчас не готов говорить по поводу того, что и как мы должны присоединять и когда, но не исключаю, что, имея в виду происходящие сегодня трагические события, мы вынуждены будем в какой-то момент, тогда, когда посчитаем целесообразным, создать определенную санитарную зону на сегодняшних территориях, подчиненных киевскому режиму. Создать зону безопасности, преодолеть которую будет достаточно сложно, применяя те средства поражения, которые противник использует. Прежде всего, конечно, иностранного производства.
This young family from Odessa region is expecting their next child soon. Their home was ruined in a Russian attack. The family found out they were having a girl on the debris of their home. The mom wrote, "We waited so much for this, but in different circumstances."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.